What's up guys, Miguel here with another quick video. This is just a quick video on the mxmoonant. This one is the ultrasonic humidifier, and you can control this with your phone. Connect to Wi-Fi with the power off, hit the mist level button for about 5 seconds, and then it goes on to the Wi-Fi turns on. It took me a while to figure that out, but eventually I did. And when you have it connected to the phone through the app, basically the app is called Smart Life. You connect it and you could turn it on. Relative humidity is 52. You could turn on the UV light sterilizer, and the UV light will turn on. You can also set the humidity from 40 all the way to 90. This one we could probably set the humidity to 55. And if I confirm on 55, the humidity right now is at 57. It's gonna go to sleep. So right now it's gonna kind of go to sleep until it goes back down to 55. It's gonna stop. But if I set it up to 75, hit confirm, it's gonna turn back on. There you go. So this thing is gonna be really cool. I have a humidity meter over here, Accurite, and they're pretty close, 2% in humidity. Maybe it's because this one is lower and then that one is higher. And then another cool feature on the grow tent is I have everything on the app, so I could turn on my tent main lights and everything gets brighter in here. While we're at it, this humidifier is really cool. Basically you're gonna add the water by removing the lid. You add the water. Instructions say that you can add tap water. I added distilled water. I will be using reverse osmosis water on this so that it doesn't scale up or anything like that. And so for now, let's take a tour of the tent. I'm into succulents, and I really love them. These guys are just succulents that I saved from either Lowe's or Home Depot. Some more over here. Got a couple of guys over here. This one not doing so well, but the new leaves are perfect. I'm gonna be cutting those guys down. I've got some oxalis over here at the Bapawensi. Got some grass that grew from sphagnum, monstera, and then I've got my black charm lily right there. Very proud of her. Pothos and all kinds of other plants over here. On this side of the tent, I have my pond. That right there is the 3-head mister, also by mxmoonant, and this is what the pond looks like. Using leca and lechuza for the substrate, and moss poles, stuff for gnats, self-watering pots and stuff like that. Right now the humidity in here is 63. This one kicked back on, and basically I have that 3-head mister on a timer, and it goes off every few hours for about half an hour to keep the humidity up in here throughout the day. This thing right here, this humidifier, mxmoonant, I know I'm gonna love this thing. I couldn't go to sleep until I got it figured out. You can also adjust your spray volume over here. So right now it's on large, and we're gonna switch it down to small. And then this is medium. And then we can go back up to large so you guys could see the volume of the mist. If I turn off the main lights, you can actually see it better. Using Barina grow lights over here. Sansi grow lights on top, 3 of them. I've got some fans, Black Flag bug zapper, Catchy, and another fan over there just to blow down on everything. Yeah, this thing is amazing. I love it. It makes me feel smart and high tech with what I've got going on over here. 6 minutes on the video. Sorry for the long video, but I just had a lot to say. We're gonna set this back down to 55. Confirm it. It's gonna turn off. There you go. I also have a blink camera that's usually looking at this. I could probably set it up to look at the humidifier so that I could turn it on and off, or just turn it on and off when this one is going. So usually I have it like that so I could monitor the humidity in the tent from wherever I'm at. Anyways, that's my video. Amazon links will be on the description. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful.